My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Spartan Hack. Spartan Hack is a ransomware that is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without complications. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Spartan Hack ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then pretty soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore because this Spartan Hack ransomware damages the files and it encrypts them. This particular ransomware has in mind to force users into paying the ransom, supposedly for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your data would be restored. So don't pay the ransom. This ransomware appends this random extension to the files. It is random for each specifically encrypted file. It is called Spartan Hack because it changes this desktop background and it says Crypter Spartan Hack. Now the ransomware is still in the test mode, but anyway, it says that users need to pay the ransom, but you should not pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be modified by the ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching and investigating your system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your computer and it will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your system at the end of this scan. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that can always be protected against ransomware attack, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner. Premium license is what you need to keep your data always protected against all other possible ransomware attacks. Also remember that Combo Cleaner only removes this ransomware, but it does not decrypt your files.